Work hard in silence. Let your success be your noise. True strength doesn't need to shout. It shows itself when the results speak louder than words. On Vietnam's motorbike trails, every climb, every dirt road, and every long ride is a quiet struggle that leads to unforgettable victories. Success isn't about talking. It's about finishing the ride, reaching the destination, and letting the journey itself be your voice. In 2026, gather your friends, ride across Vietnam's breathtaking landscapes, and let your adventure make all the noise.